Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're testing, this is a little small Gifford Wood colloid mill. You can see it has a recirculating tube, and we're actually cleaning it using some water and Dawn dish detergent. It's running a relatively open size. On the side here you'll see the little graduate, and those small holes, you put a small punch in there, you're able to turn that and raise and lower the position between the rotor and the stator. Of course it has a jacketed lower hopper, and then of course a second jacket in the housing. It's starting to get warm now as we run it. Has the recirculating feature. The small plug valve here will turn and allow that to discharge. Most people in operating these will put a connection between here and this one, and then run your inlet and outlet on this side. Running very nicely. Of course, these things run at a high RPM, as you know. The flow rate will change as you increase or decrease the distance between the rotor and stator. Something we can find out, we went through the machine. There is a slight little hairline crack in the mounting here, but the bolts hold it in place, and it will never move as long as it's bolted together. That's our little test on the Gifford Wood colloid mill today.